A very good morning to dear scholarites. We have completed this chapter, that is chapter number 18, some natural phenomena, means those phenomena or those processes which are under nature, which are not in the control of human beings. Okay, so we will discuss today the concept map on earthquake. That is a small topic of this chapter and it's very, very important. So here is earthquake. You know well what is earthquake? A sudden movement or the shaking of the earth, okay, or you can say the deep disturbance inside the earth is known as earthquake. It takes place for a second. It can be major, it can be minor earthquake has small frequency, that's why it do not form any destruction, whereas major earthquake has the more magnitude or intensity or frequency, you can say, and this can cause a various destruction and several loss for human life or property. Okay, so we will discuss each and every term that is related to earthquake. So first of all, there is a seismic focus. What is seismic focus? This is a place of origin through where the earthquake used to originate. Okay, and when the earthquake is originate, seismic waves are formed. Okay, these are generated inside the earth's surface. These waves are noted down or recorded due to its intensity through the seismogram. Seismogram is you can say it is a process or it is a device which can record the magnitude or intensity of the earthquake that is taking place, because you know well that in a year there are thousands of earthquakes that we do not identify at all. Okay, some are minor, some are major, but due to the intensity we can make a record that they are major earthquake or whether they are minor. Okay, next is the instrument known as seismograph. Seismograph, that is the instrument that used to detect or record the intensity or magnitude of the earthquake. This is a magnitude. Magnitude means that can be measured on the Richter scale, and this was discovered by the great scientist Richter, so that this device also named as Richter scale. Okay, so come here, seismic focus we have read. Now what is the focal depth? Focal depth means the depth below the earth's surface. It can be 60 to 70 kilometer, that is known as shallow depth of earth's surface. It can be 70 to 300 kilometer, that is the intermediate portion of your earth's surface. And if we are talking about the depth or beneath of earth's surface, that will be a 700 kilometer through which the earthquake comes under the surface. So these all are the focal depth through where the earthquake moves upward, and thus a seismic focus means the origination point generates. Okay, now again there is a very important term, that is the epicenter. Epicenter is a point on the earth's surface that directly lies upon the focus, and you know well focus is the point of originate. At the below focus there is epicenter. It is the middle or midpoint of the earthquake through which it originates. Okay, now earthquake, how it caused, you have read in the book that various factors are there that are helpful to cause earthquake. First is movement of tectonic plates. You know well what are tectonic plates? These are present under the surface of earth. When these plates collide with each other, they cause vibration or shaking sudden of the earth, and that can cause earthquake. Next is volcanic eruption. Of course, when there is volcanic eruption or the pressure of lava is more that emerge outside, then the burst of volcanic will be caused, and thus the frequency is so high that will take the form of earthquake. Next is nuclear explosion. Also, nuclear explosions are also done in the large distant area where there is no population, and it can also make the earth shake, and that can cause earthquake. Last is collision of meteors and meteoroids. You know well, in our space there are various meteors of small and big size and meteorites. When they collide on the surface of the earth, okay, and they are very, very heavy, when they collide toward the surface of earth, that can cause earthquake. Okay, now these are the causes of earthquake. Now what do the earthquake caused? The earthquake can also causes severe loss of life and property. Of course, there should be destruction of tall monuments, buildings, or you can say forest, various vegetations, life of human beings, plants, animals, and also properties, home, houses, building, office, school. So earthquake can destruct all the things. Okay. Give a look at your this topic in your book, and wherever there is any doubt, you can ask me again on the online classes. Thank you. Have a nice day.